What's up, y'all? Just got home from a long day. Not really a long day, shouldn't say that. But what I want to do with this video is kind of just throw everything together. We had a big car meet down at my buddy's shop down at ARW. Kind of show you some of that. We did like an interview with one of the cars, Colton, with his Civic. And yeah, I'm just going to throw that all in here. Had some drone footage, messing around in the car. But she's still going, she's still running. The turbo's still working. Amazing, dude. This fucking eBay car just keeps going. And I got my wife to drive it, which was kind of crazy. But I turned the video on. She was just dead face. She didn't even get in the boost, dude. She didn't even get in the boost. Just crazy. But yeah, that's the first time she's driven it since we called it the fart car when it was just the B20 and annoying ass exhaust. Not that the exhaust isn't annoying now, but it's a different kind of annoying. It's fun, but you know, it's just stinky and shit everywhere. So checking on the G8, my rear end last I so trying to do the tracking. Let's see, where the hell is this damn thing at? It's on FedEx, so who knows when the hell it's going to show up. Let's see here. Where this is, track shipment. What do we got? Oh shit, it's in Montana. So it started out in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And then it went to Chicago, then it went to St. Paul. Now it's in Montana. It says I'm supposed to get it this Friday, tomorrow. Fuck yes. So the only problem with that is my axle issue. So got this fucking tunnel. Put that over there. So when I pulled the axles out, let's see, that one's still good. But when I pulled the axles out, I fucked it up. So see that? Yeah, I still gotta fix that. And then I gotta put the end back on that, put it all back together, clean up the bearings. What a fucking mess. And then I threw my garbage bag down there, so it looks even worse. Anyways, I got the speedo working in the Honda. I haven't got a lip. I've got a lip that I want to put on it. We're gonna do that. I rerouted the drain for my catch can. Dude, this is fucking ghetto. Check this out. Oh yeah, dude. Let's give her the little turn-ins. Oh damn, dude. She good. Look at that ghetto setup. It's pretty fucking terrible. Anyways, we'll let that drain. I got the EK center console in. Let's see. You can see it's in there, but it's not done yet. But it is in there. And yeah, so getting all caught up on the videos, and did a little test hit to make sure the speedo worked. Like I said, we had some drone footage, and then the meet down at my buddy's shop, the open house. So like I said, I'm not going to talk much, but just getting into some of these videos. And then hell yeah, hunting for horsepower this weekend. It's a big like car show, diesel type thing, dyno event, so we'll be going to that. And then my rear end comes in tomorrow. I'm definitely going to be working on that, so watch for videos on that. Hopefully I can have the G8 running by, I don't know, I like to have it running this weekend. Shouldn't take very long. Just got to throw the rear end back in the car. Yeah, I'm excited, dude. SS rear end going in this thing, putting those shitty axles back in, so not really excited about that, but I'm excited to drive it. So hell yeah, hope you enjoy the video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and more stuff coming soon. Thanks a lot. Peace out. What's up, guys? We're here with Colton. What year is this?
It's a 98.
98. Can you tell us a little bit about what's been done to it?
It's JDM GSR rods and pistons, and pretty much everything else with the motor is stock GSR trans with limited slip, and then the head is all stock valve train, CTR cams. It's got the ARP hardware in there, stock crank, stock flywheel, stage 5 clutch, and then just the bolt-ons and stuff that you can see. Nothing real crazy. Peak boost, ram horn manifold.
What's the turbo?
It's a Garrett Silver Surfer, which is supposed to be a smaller version of a 3076R that would perform the same. It's quite a bit smaller than the one sitting right there on that car right there.
Right.
But,
what's it tuned on?
It's tuned on Neptune, and it was tuned by Steve here at Atomic Raceworks. First tune on it was in 2011, and the motor, none of the motor, the training, or any of that stuff has came out of the car since then. It's been retuned a couple different times, changing out some various parts, trying different things.
Right. So what's your goal with the car? Is it more of a street car? Is it track? Or
I'd like to do some track stuff, but it's so nice that I don't really want to tear it up too much.
Right.
My ultimate goal is, and what I've been doing since I've had it, is just making it as nice to drive as possible.
Right.
So like my next upgrade, like it already drives really nice. So my next upgrade is getting a turbo that spools faster, so I can get it, down into the lower RPMs.
What kind of power level do you think it's at?
Well, it made 482 officially on 18 pounds on the same setup with RC 750 injectors. We swapped out those for the 1050X and turned it up to 24. So, it's definitely 500 plus.
Right.
The exact number, we haven't gotten it back on the dyno yet.
Yeah. I think a lot of people underestimate these things too because they don't realize what the weight is with the power level either. So.
Well, it's another thing. The guy I got this from, he cut the weight down on this car significantly. So there's no crash beams in the doors, the bumpers, all that stuff's gone. The dash, everything on the dash is completely empty. All this stuff is gone. I mean, the power sunroof works, the power windows work, power mirrors work. That's it. There's no heater, no fans.
Right.
And so these are typically around 2,800 pounds from the factory, and I weighed it with a half tank of gas, and it was 2,400 pounds. And to put it into perspective, my CRX was 2,200 pounds.
Right.
So it really does help with how fast the car is, like power to weight. A lot of people don't understand.
Oh, they're a lot of fun. So, have you ran it at the track at all, or no?
I did. I ran it once with these tires that are not good for the track.
Right.
They're really wheel hoppy.
Oh, yeah.
So I couldn't get any good hits until I got into like third gear. I think I ran, it was either a 12.0 or 12.1 at 126.
Right.
And that was all second half. If you want a video of that, I got that one of the GoPro in the car. I had my passenger seat removed.
Oh, yeah.
And it's pretty bad. Like I basically was just barely letting out off the line, and then I'd let it go a little bit first, and I'd have to let off again, and then get it. And then second, same thing. As soon as I jumped the clutch, it wheel hop, and then I'd let off to get it to stop.
Right.
And I got one good pass in there though that night with the tires warmed up. It did hook all of third. And then like every pass after that, I was just spinning all the way to third and like part of fourth because the track cooled down.
Right.
But that experience really, I just wasn't happy about it. It just felt terrible. Like
Man, we'll look forward to the progression of the car. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Driving me crazy. You keep on running, I'm running away.